Welcome back to GT Auto, the 2025 GMC Yukon, one of the most popular full-size SUVs on the market. The 2025 GMC Yukon showcases a strong, bold presence on the road. It comes with a massive grille up front that features GMC's signature bold styling, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the SUV a modern, aggressive look. The overall design is angular and muscular, with a chiseled body that gives the Yukon a tough, commanding appearance. The 2025 GMC Yukon offers a range of powerful engine options. The standard engine is a 5.3-liter V8 that delivers around 355 horsepower, offering more than enough grunt for daily driving, highway cruising, or towing. For those who need even more muscle, there's an available 6.2-liter V8 engine that bumps the horsepower to 420, providing plenty of power for off-roading or pulling a heavy trailer. GMC also offers a diesel engine option, which offers excellent fuel efficiency and torque, making it an excellent choice for long-distance drives and towing. When you step inside, the first thing you'll notice is the immense space. The cabin has been designed with comfort in mind, offering 3 rows of seating that can comfortably accommodate up to 8. The 2025 Yukon also offers a variety of tech features that make it stand out in the competitive full-size SUV segment. The center console features a large touchscreen with GMC's latest infotainment system, which is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 GMC Yukon comes in several trims: the base SLE, the mid-tier SLT, and the high-end Denali. Prices for the 2025 models start around $57,000 for the base SLE, with the Denali trim reaching closer to $80,000, depending on options and config. For wheels, GMC offers a variety of options, including large 20-inch and 22-inch rims, giving the Yukon a commanding stance. The body is also designed to provide excellent aerodynamics, while the raised roofline ensures that there's plenty of cabin space inside. As for cargo space, the Yukon shines. The Yukon's suspension system is tuned to deliver a smooth, comfortable ride even over rough terrain, while also being responsive enough for a bit of sporty driving when needed. To sum it all up, the 2025 GMC Yukon is a powerhouse of a full-size SUV, offering excellent exterior styling, a spacious and luxurious interior, robust performance, and a variety of tech features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.